Hi buddies, let's revamp my client's hair with me, shall we? So we got these wigs and the first thing we did was get some hot water ready. You can't do no revamping without hot water. And I mixed the water to be lukewarm and added my shampoos. Now I'm starting with the first one. This is an olive shampoo and I added also the second shampoo. It's an egg shampoo. These two shampoo help me with shine and softness of the hair. It also helps me get rid of the excess oil that the hair comes in with. So I mixed them both and I started putting the hair one by one. I mixed the colored hair. I put the colored hair in one bowl and the black hair in another bowl. Now these hairs, I allowed them to sit for 45 minutes in the first wash. Now can you see how dirty this water is? This is the first wash for the hair, and I rinsed it out of this water and I went ahead to make a second bath for the hair. Now the same lukewarm water, I'm using a different shampoo. This is an argan oil shampoo and this is my favorite shampoo from Avida. It's an exfoliating shampoo. Now both of them help me to really get into the hair, get rid of the sweat, the smell, the junk, the stinkiness of the hair. It just helps with the overall texture of the hair. Can you see how silky and how smooth and shiny it looks, even though we're not still done with the washing process? Like, your revamp process actually starts from the wash. I had to scrub off the glue from the lace front, and this is how the water looks by the end of the second wash. It's still dirty, but it's better than the first wash. And I did my third wash. I went through about 2 or 3 bottles of shampoo for this revamp process. You can't be stingy with products when revamping. Now on to the next thing. I'm going to mix my treatments and conditioners, and I'm going to mix them very generously and apply them to the hair. Like I said, when doing revamping, you can't be stingy with products. If not, the hair will not come out the way you want. You have to actually use enough product. Now when I apply my treatments to my hair, I put them in a black bag and I tie it up and put it in a bowl. This serves as my steam treatment. Now for me, steam treatment is so important for my hairs because it helps with the shine, the softness, the lushness. Like, it just literally helps with the overall health of the hair. I poured in some hot water and I allowed that to sit for 2 hours, and this is how the hair looks when I brought it out of the plastic bags. It looks really shiny and I really wish you guys could feel it. It was so soft. I allowed this to air dry. I rinsed it out and allowed it to air dry, and you have to like and follow for part 2 so you see how I style and send the wigs back to my customer. So this is a few days after the hairs have dried, and now it's time to styling. If you know that styling hair is where the actual work is. Like, this is such a burnout process, but we went ahead to slay and lay my client's hair. This is how this baby came in, all crusty and roughy, and this is how she went back to my client, looking super new, shiny, silky, not greasy, no over product, just treated and very silky. Now this is how this hair came in. She looked super tangled, and this is how she left, like a brand new baby. We didn't do so much styling to the hair because our client is going to go install the hair, and so the stylist would have to do most of the styling, but then we just made the hair look a lot more presentable. Now this is one of my best transformations. This hair came in looking so roughy, and we had to do a lot of work. We had to straighten and curl it so that we could give it back the life it came with. This is how the hair came in originally, and it had this huge patch on the side. We were able to disguise that, and it came out looking super nice. Like, you can't tell me that these curls are not looking amazing. This hair went back to my customer looking so silky and beautiful. We spent 3 days total revamping the hairs. There were about 13 or 14 pieces of hairs. I couldn't really show you guys everything. This was how this hair came in, and this is how she left, all curled and beautiful. And so we packed up all the hairs. Our hairs go back looking brand new. If you want to revamp yours, please send a message to the number in the caption. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.